namukena kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. Channel. Yeah, of course, I'm the Carolai album. Yes, for Rangana, of course. Yeah, 2024. Laying at the with the so you go the details that the minute the diva so far. Yeah, so it is 6 July. Fike wana vishvambu here, as you can see. You are the big fans that been my president. Africa post that's all go Press Rangan featuring Limpopo Poison. President Mayangan will collaborate more than 2 songs, as you can see. Coming soon, 85% done, as you can see on the navigator this image. So we are busy on album yes Press Rangan. What I know so far it's a data like August or September. I was just confirmed for real, but it's August or September. La information so far gone. Of course, we should confirm that you update again. So we didn't so far. Of course, it on 4 songs. But we know that Vishmambola is showing more than 2 songs. So Shakon yeah, this one should make a sense because look over I can check album yeah several person of course year 2023 the track leading Africa the hit hela akuna Ben Mayenga makama hlekete la timbirhi la of course akuna story le akuna track number 2 ku tlhela ku va majinja cake le akuna track in number 11 so ito leading Africa kuma ku fika va na tekala swinene so loko President Mayenga of course yi ri ka 4 tracks swi ta kha swi pfuna swinene several person ku project yona yi va to even some extent mina suggest no yi nga ndla EP like ndla EP once because na loko wona ta project last time kumbe ku vanhu va fika va yingisela ngoti ti nga na Ben Mayenga 2 track 2 and track 11 point of correction kama Ginger Cake ku ve na issue because va ra Rangana a hi hekiwini xi sale leri maravasha ka xo tshama xi heka Ben Mayenga so a xi hekini xi va ti-views ta yona hinkwato ta majinja cake mara a ku ri hit let's just take it like that a ku ri hit okay so mi kuma ku to some extent so ndina ku hohetela i wasted resources ma kumena mhaka leyi so yeah even an EP nga va kahle loko ri Ben Mayenga is on 4 tracks ku ka mina I think se va ra Rangana yi ngo ti add la 2 ya ta yona ku va suggestion nje ma kumena mhaka leyiwa of course Dr. Joy Chiribana no yi ta va yi ri kona la koko ni emphasize ngopfu Ben Mayenga because a minkarhi leyi loko Ben Mayenga a nga ri kona va kha va tirhisana swin'we ku ri Rangana na Dr. Joy Chiribana mi swi vona ku still mi kuma ku nga na that vavavoom so Ben Mayenga wa laveka kahle ko va effect so very sarap Rangana of course ka tin'wani ko a mina hambi swi ni suggest ku EP ya ku information leyi nga ku kumbe so ku va yi loko yi direct va ra Rangana on the other tracks na ti beat ku swi va kha yimbelisa ku yini and stuff like that and possibly mi nga kuma Ben Mayenga na tlhahlavelela ndzeni ka tin'wana ti-tracks hikuva ni ya last year loko hi languta album leyi a ni se va ra Rangana kahle a yi tirhe yi ri yoxe a ku ri before ku vuya swa Limpopo Poison ku yi tirha even then loko se yi vuya Limpopo Poison ku vuya ku ediwa those 2 tracks ma vona mhaka leyi so hayi hopefully swi ta kha swi famba kahle hi yona update leyi hi nga na yona so far loko ri wa mi ngo subscribe a ni ta kombela mi tlika subscribe mi like guys mi support hi leswo
Papo, ni twa vanhu va ri vavasati va rhandza mali ku tlula vavanuna.
Na vahembi.
Judas hi a nga xenga Yesu a ku ri n'wansati na.
Judas a ku nga ri n'wansati. Mara nsati wa Judas a lava mali. A za a xenga Yesu ku chava ku ta sala yena n'wi tshika.